Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the best transactional email services if you're working with WordPress, especially with a focus if you're building a membership or community-focused website. We've got a ton of experience in advising people about this subject. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So you're looking to send out what is called transactional or marketing email. And when it comes to WordPress, it's got some fabulous solutions to help you do this, but there's some key things you've got to understand. Now, most hosting providers, the quality side, will not provide email sending functionality, not for your inbox. What I mean for inbox is that you've got a email application and you have inboxes where you can store your kind of personal and email. I'm talking here transactional. And what do I mean by transactional? Well, if you're utilizing a WordPress learning management plugin, let's say somebody signs up for a course, they need emails sending them the links so they can log into their dashboard. If they finish a particular course, they probably will get a certificate. You need email to send them the certificate. These type of emails or invoice or a receipt after they bought a course, these type of email are called transactional. Now, when it comes to marketing email, that's your newsletter. That's a email campaign. Let's say somebody signs up and you want to encourage them to, actually on board and take the course. The longer they don't take active steps, the more chance that they're going to ask for their money back. That these type of email, well, that's a mixture of marketing and to some level transactional. To send out these type of email, you're going to need a email sending service, and I call it your email engine. The good news is that there's a number of services that are excellent. One of them is SendGrid. It's what we use at WP-Tonic as part of the packages that we offer our clients. For about $20, you can send between 50 to 100,000 email per month. That's what we offer as part of our hosting package on our normal starter level. And SendGrid is fantastic. It's one of the best services to guarantee that your transactional and marketing email gets into people's inboxes, not into their junk folders. Another great one is Mailgun, around a similar price. They offer both SendGrid and Mailgun offer a free level service. The SendGrid one, you can only send out, I think, about between 100 to 300 email per day. So really the free service is really only good enough to actually test the service. But like I say, up between 50 to 100,000, you can get that around $20. Now with Mailgun, they offer a better free service, and also I think they're a bit cheaper on their paid level up. I personally think SendGrid is still superior. Other people would disagree with me on that. Another great service is from Amazon Web Services. You hear a lot about this and the enormous cost savings you will make. That is true, but what you need to know is it's not for the faint heart in actually setting it up. Now, with Mailgun and with SendGrid, they provide a plugin, and it's not that difficult to set up. Now, with Amazon email service, you are expected to have much more technical knowledge, and there's definitely more hoops to jump through. Really, you need somebody like WP-Tonic or somebody else that's got experience to help you get this set up, basically. I personally don't think it's worthwhile, the cost savings, unless you're sending out over 100,000 email per month. If you're in that kind of volume, I think you definitely want to look at Amazon Web Services. Other people would disagree with me. I'm pretty confident on my position there. So I didn't want this video to be too long. I was going to say email there, but I've written a really detailed article that goes into even more choices, gives you all the links, the prices, and all the additional info that you would want. You find the link to that article in the video description. Plus, if you want a quick chat with me, you can always go to the WP-Tonic website and book a free chat with me. Love to discuss and help you with any questions you've got. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel. That really encourages me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.